So we are playing in Avatar Road. So dito ko ang Missiki. Di na mo yung pinubers. Di na siya. So doon kasi sa dadaan bayot sa mag-reset. Tapos ito. Ang reset. Ito na reset. Pwede mo siya i-reset bayot. No, how to reset? Asa dali mo sa reset bay. O dali magkuhan ko maybe later na. So at lang yun po ang reset dari yun. Settings mo na ito dari yun. O tara reset. All na lang yun. Sana yung all. Pindot ang piso. Pindot lang o diba? So hello guys. It is your Mr. Ikat. Diba? So today we're going to go Avatar World. First, we are making a beautiful lady. So hindi maubayot. Mali-mali ang bayot. We are making a beautiful lady to this video. First, I will make a beautiful ladies like me. Like this? No. This not a young. I have young baby cut. I will change my eyes now like this. But I love that. Okay. So instead of not is atong kind of rose and this is green. Because I love it. So gusto ko mag-green. I know we are making Christmas bahay. So yun like Christmas bahay bayot. So I'm so excited this because so I was gonna be a part. That thing I think my favorite design is Christmas. Christmas. So maybe now I will just anong sakto lang. Anong sakto. I will make this red, green and the lower is red. Now, as a lower red. There's a lower red in here. I got a lower red here. Can I show you? Oh my god, okay, I will go back, okay. May ganito naman purple sa so I will make it just my hair like that. Oh, like that. No, that. Next, I will go and here make me. On Christmas. Feel boring ako dito. I think I'm so very bored here. It's so very boring. So I don't think it's good dress. I'm so very poor here. I don't care. Okay, it will be like so very specific. So